Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Stuff. In this video, we'll be learning how to pick image from our mobile's gallery. So we'll be creating app like this. If we click on this button, it will take me to the my emulators gallery, and I can select any image and it will set that image to this image view. So let's click on this button, and if I select this image, so it will set up to this image view. So let's fire up our Android Studio and start creating the app. So I have created this design. It's just one image view and one button. It's just a dummy image. So let's initialize them in mainActivity.java. So private button m button and private image view m image view. Now we'll find their ID. So m button find view by ID, that is a button, and m image view find view by ID image view. Now we'll add on click listener to our m button. So m button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we have to just create one intent. So intent gallery intent equals new intent. So first thing we have to do, we have forgotten one thing, that is we have to add permission in our manifest file. So over here just write uses permission, that is read external storage, and we'll close it. So now gallery intent dot set action, and here we have to pass intent dot action get content. And one thing, gallery intent dot set type, what kind of files it will take. So that will be of image and all image. Okay, and the last thing, that is we have to start activity for a result, and here we pass two parameters, that is first our intent, so gallery intent, and another is request code. So we'll pass here 2, and for this we have to create one on activity result method. So we'll create it here. So on activity result, and we'll check here if request code equals to 2 and the result code, sorry, it is result code, that is result okay, and our data is not null, and the last thing, data dot get data, it should not null, then we are good to go. So now we will create one URI. So URI m image URI. So URI are just URLs, but they are meant for local storage. So we'll set here data dot get data, and now we have to set our image view. So m image view dot set image URI, and we'll pass here our image URI. So this is it. Now we'll check our app is working or not. We'll run it. So yeah, if we click on this button, it will show up my gallery images, and I can pick any image from here. So let me pick this image, and you can see it's working. Now pick any another image. So we'll click on this. Okay, it's working fine. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel if you're liking the tutorial. So thank you.